Welcome to Module 1, family. We're going to be starting off here really focusing on the ground of our being, which is our awareness, our consciousness, our light, our isness, our presence, our essence, our intelligence. This is the I am. This is that ever-present field of consciousness that is everywhere. It is the animating principle of life. So I want us all to stop for a moment here, to take a deep breath, and to really allow yourself to relax. And I want you to ask yourself the most important question. Who am I? And ask yourself deeply, who am I? And really, with a curiosity, inquire into the nature of existence. Who am I? Why am I here? What am I doing here? So, this question, I believe I asked myself this question 10 years ago, about 10 years ago coming up. And I came across this question from a dear teacher of mine, Sri Ramana Maharshi. There was this one day I was reading this book called Be As You Are, and I remember it was a question and answer that a devotee was asking Ramana. And Ramana answered the question with, "You are awareness." And I remember in that moment, something clicked in me. I viscerally felt this release, this deep sense of inner joy that this man finally told me the truth. Because prior to that, I didn't have anybody that ever told me I am awareness. People were calling me Steven, and also believed that I was only Steven. Yes, I am Steven. Steven is my avatar. But what I am, what we all are at our core, is the I am that I am. And that's why the masters, the teachers, the ones that are revered and are loved so deeply by humanity, they all teach this one simple understanding, which is be still and know that I am God. And I share this because this is the most important teaching to get. This is the root of it all. And unless we finally make that switch from duality to non-duality, which is starting to look from the truth instead of feeling that we're a separate self, a separate thought, living in this separate world, where we make the flip, where we begin to recognize ourselves as the awareness in which the thoughts appear, and that space begins to open up, and we see that, oh wow, I exist. I am the existence, the consciousness, the I am that is prior to thoughts. And thoughts appear to me and then they disappear. So I want us to all just stop there for a second and inquire into yourself if that's true. If the thoughts are appearing to you, and recognize this. There's this unchanging consciousness that is eternally what we are. So this is the I am. And the more that we keep our attention fixed in this simple beingness, it will start to reveal itself as this is actually our natural state. And this is becoming one with God, because God is love and the I am is divine love and is God. And none of this is separate. So once you realize this simple fact that you exist prior to your thoughts, then that's it. You've already realized yourself. You've already attained what we've always been looking for. Because this isn't something that you actually attain. This is something that is ever present. It's more of a recognition and a realization of our real self. And so it's very important throughout each moment of our day to constantly be invoking this presence. And how you can do that is you can just simply say the words I am. And when we do that, we basically allow this intelligent energy to flood into our being, to cleanse us, to purify us, and to make us joyful beings of truth. And then we go out into the world and we change the world because we've recognized the I am presence, and we recognize that this is actually what we are. So this is the place where we always begin. The I am, our center. And once we start to really root down into this conscious recognition of the reality of the nature of God, the nature of us, then we can begin to create. And this is what Module 2 is about. So I hope that this has given you a good ground, a good reminder that you are the I am. You are the consciousness, you are the awareness that is prior to thinking and feeling, that is prior to the body-mind. And once you know this deep inside your heart, now from this place, from this field, we can create a new earth. We can create a new energy. So we're going to talk about this in Module 2. I'll see you there.